and
Holy
with your
Mass,
Spirit.
A proclamation of the
daily
Holy Gospel
Holy Mass
according to
today.
Glory to you, Lord.
Jesus said to his disciples, Stop judging that you may not be judged. For as you judge, so will you be judged. And the measure with which you measure will be measured out to you. Why do you notice the splinter in your brother's eye, but do not perceive the wooden beam in your own eye? How can you say to your
Daily
brother,
Mass today.
let me remove the splinter from your eye, while the wooden beam is in your eye? You hypocrite, remove the wooden beam from your eye first. Then you will see clearly to remove the splinter from your brother's eye. My dear brothers and sisters, the gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
This is the last gospel